We're out here in Langley, getting some fucking shit for his rims. We're gonna paint them, plastic dip them black, make this car more of a race car, you know. Oh, he vaping. So bad. Which one came there? Oh shit. Very clear. Right, we found it. It's all this up right here. Okay. Paint, and this is the plastic down here. Will you make a straight pipe? Is it this stuff? Yep. Protect it. So we're gonna go with the glossy black one. There's rims. Hope that looks cool. We'll go with the rainbow. Some green.
Should I just do 4? Or?
I don't like this color. Just got out. It was like $85.
Big rip to my bank account.
Yeah. It's gonna hurt the drift fund. But I got this.
Like this.
Ooh, we'll do it before and after.
Like, see, that's why I like sandpaper, because there's like this protectant shit that has this shit like underneath, so we'll have to like get that shit off.
Oh, it's like plasticky kind of almost.
Yeah. So we'll just have to sand.
But like the sides isn't, or yeah. I don't know. It's got like, it feels like it has something on it.
Yeah. I don't know. We can just sandpaper that.
Yeah. We got the newest Canadian garage member here, Carter. Also a founder with his new car. What kind of car is this car?
It's a Mark II GTI.
Oh shit.
Should be good enough, right?
Let's look inside this thing. Oh fuck. Oh, he ain't a pussy. Look at this. Momo.
Yeah, get this exhaust.
Momo.
This exhaust.
Yeah, here, get a pen. Ooh. I got those PBS rims, it's sick.
Oh,
pretty sick. We're changing, we're gonna paint Ethan's rims, plastic dip them. This is what we got. So we got some metallic plastic dip, some sandpaper. We're sanding down the rims now. Get them down to that base coat, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna paint them up. Looks like a lot's coming off though. Good. So we got it all ready for painting. We're just rubbing down some rubbing alcohol. Got the rim nozzle covered up.
I can't paint it here.
Just do it in the back of your truck, right here. Or on top of your car on the hood.
Yeah.
The car's got the wheel.
We're going to the spot.
I'm gonna do this.
I feel like car's good at it.
It's definitely not black.
What color is it? It looks like... I don't know, keep on painting it. So is it not black?
It says accessories rubber coating right on it.
I should have just got fucking black spray paint.
It would have done the same shit.
Fuck, we might have to come back. Spray paint it or something.
Are you gonna paint them all?
I don't know. I want black.
Yeah, this still looks the same color.
Yeah.
It is the same color, it's just
It's
a
just
little shiny.
it's just like gloss.
Fuck. Damn.
We'll be back.
Is your
E-brakes on.
Clutch,
Oh,
clutch,
let's stall it.
clutch.
Please go play with that clutch. It is fucking low though. Holy shit. Oh, and installed it. Looks sick right there though. See how this paint's doing.
It's like already like dry, so I could put it back on.
Yeah, the gloss doesn't look good with this fucking scratch underneath. Cause it's supposed to be
Do
a
you just want
paint.
to put it back on now?
Let's just fucking back at it with the cars. Ethan's just sanding his wheels down right now. We're gonna spray paint them instead of plasti dip because we couldn't find any black plasti dip for it, but we're sanding it right now. Just gonna paint it, wipe it down first with some alcohol and paint it. Hopefully black this time.
Hopefully.
Blow it on. He's just rubbing it down right now. You know that- yeah, well, we gotta redo the other one. It's all like, it's got like dirty fingerprints on it now and stuff. We got the other wheels out going. Looks pretty fucking bad sand job, but gonna sticker bomb the mirrors on Alex's Gold. Also the gas cap too.
Run! Dude, these are awesome. Back to school. Dude, look at this one. It says, like,
ass.
no parking. 60. What the fuck?
No thinking allowed.
Look at this one. This is just like an ass.
at
I
this
like that
one.
one.
Dude, that's awesome.
Not bad.
The back. Camera's full, card full, and just left at Carter's house, so we're doing the back two rims today.
Professionals paint rims.
Yeah, we do it.
This is how racers paint
Oh shit, I forgot to tape off my
Fuck it.
Dude, it's already black. It doesn't even matter.
Yeah, that's probably good. Just let it dry.
Don't want any
We'll be
drips.
right.
Don't want any drips.
We'll be right.
Drip, drip.
For another second tire. It's like white. Oh yeah, what the heck? Looks like
You can see like dirty stuff in there.
yeah, we should fucking. I feel like we should move them. Paint them on a bag somewhere. Application, switch to the bag technique. They're looking nice. Cause there's too much like shit coming off the tree over there. I don't know. That was a problem we saw from the get-go, but we went through with it and we realized what was wrong.
Yeah, I don't.
Ethan, do you own a BMW? This a BMW?
This
Oh.
is my
This is his
beater. My
This is
beater.
Daily beater.
I have a BMW M2 wide body at home.
I like the sticker bomb. Let's go get check a close look while Ethan paints this. Car check.
1997 Volkswagen Golf.
Yeah.
It's a little dirty. I haven't washed it once. Got it for like $450.
I like this like Supreme sticker here.
Oh, thanks. Yeah, I just put that on last night, and then I got this little sticker bomb. Like some of them were like falling off.
That's okay.
But whatever. But my favorite one, like look at this one. We got like Find Him.
Where you at?
Then we got like Not Bad, Jeremy Clarkson. And on the back, we got Fatal Air Run. Just cause like I'm always like run. And then Baby on Board, and then like Caution, the boss is here today. No Thinking Loud. And then we just have this one. This is actually pretty clean sticker bomb with the black spray painted panel. And I also painted my rims white.
Look at that
That shift knob.
custom
That shift knob's pretty sweet.
stickers.
Got some more stickers on. We got this like license plate thing.
It's pretty
This
sick.
originally it was just held on by this, but then oh crap, it's falling. And then
Ignorant.
this is my nice thing. I'll actually like shine it on for you. It's on. Can you tell?
Yeah. That's pretty sick.
Pretty bright.
Alright, but I'll take the wheels. Done painted.
I'll get the scooter taken in too.
It looks sick.
Cars lifted up on jacks.
Lifted.
We're just gonna throw these puppies back on. And then we'll get a after, and then I'll compare the videos after. And then Ethan will give me my $500.
Oh yeah, okay.
Bring the back wheels on now. Make sure it's flat on. Yeah, like that. Where's your license?
This is like a profile pic you just have like just.
That'd be sick for Facebook. Chris wants to try.
Yeah, guess this one's fine. It's just like a little sticky in that those one little area.
Oh, it's black holes. Something fresh. This is the first side done. Ooh. Ooh. There's this gets on, jack's out. This jack's coming out. Let's get it.
There we go, boys.
Down. Get a
Oh wait, we need a hubcap.
Forget the before and after. This is what the rims look like. This little car.
Makes the car look like mean. Makes it look mean.
Is it on an angle like that?
There you go. Look at that, dude.
I feel like we should do a front license plate delete. Hey, is it? Hey, hey!
What do you want? Get out of my face.
Hey, did you just paint your rims? Is it true? Are you with Matthew? Did you paint your rims on
Fuck
your
off.
Honda Accord?
Get the fuck out.
Yo, what's up?